Car Story research indicates this vehicle as competitive listing price. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moon roof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.